Happy Wednesday all. If you missed the past 24 hours in crypto and stocks, here's your full recap. Texas just became the first state to purchase Bitcoin, investing $5 million in BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF with $10 million allocated total, which is a massive statement from a state government and could set a precedent for others to follow. Metaplanet raised $130 million using Bitcoin as collateral to buy more Bitcoin, which is a pretty bold leverage play, and Congressman Warren Davidson says the US can fund the strategic Bitcoin reserve by accepting tax payments in Bitcoin, which would be a game changer if it happens. Small businesses can now accept Bitcoin like a card with zero processing fees via Square, making it more practical for everyday commerce. And JPMorgan came out saying cryptocurrency is emerging as a tradable macro asset, which is quite the shift in tone from a traditional bank. On the Fed front, odds of a 25 basis point rate cut in December surpassed 85%. Deutsche Bank expects the Fed to cut by 25 basis points. A Fed governor said the U.S. economy calls for large interest rate cuts, and Kevin Hassett is now President Trump's top choice to replace Jerome Powell as Federal Reserve Chair. So monetary policy is about to get interesting. In tech news, Elon Musk's XAI is reportedly raising $15 billion at a $230 billion valuation, and Nvidia is set to lose $180 billion as Meta considers switching to Google chips, which shows just how competitive the AI chip market is getting. Kalshi's CEO says prediction markets could rival stock exchanges in a few years, which is a bold vision that's looking more plausible given their growth. Cryptocurrency markets are heading toward a record monthly outflow exceeding $6 billion, which explains some of the price pressure we've been seeing. On the macro side, U.S. home prices rose 1.3% over the last year, which is the slowest appreciation in over 2 years. The federal government took in $404 billion in October but spent $689 billion. The U.S. collected a record $31 billion in customs duties in October, which is over 4 times higher than the same month in 2024. Producer prices rose 4.6% per year over the last 5 years and over 25% in total, and the U.S. money supply grew 4.6% over the last year, which is the biggest increase since July 2022. Alibaba reported revenue of $34.8 billion, up 5% year-over-year, with cloud up 34%. And Dell Technologies reported $27 billion in revenue with record AI server orders. Over in the altcoin world, Franklin Templeton filed for a spot Solana ETF, which is huge news. Solana's co-founder says the unbroken streak of daily inflows to the Solana ETF is greatly underappreciated. Franklin Templeton says XRP plays a foundational role in global settlement infrastructure. Theros formed an exclusive joint venture to offer token-backed loans and AI lending simulations. Unit announced spot Ethena deposits and trading are now live on Hyperliquid. Klarna introduced Klarna USD, which is its first stablecoin. Russia expanded investment options for crypto-linked assets, and Polymarket secured CFTC approval to operate fully as an exchange for U.S. retail users and brokerages, which legitimizes prediction markets even further. If you enjoyed this daily roundup, make sure to follow me, and I'll see you tomorrow.